May I know your full name, please?
My full name is Gursharan Singh.
Okay, what can I call you?
You can call me by my first name, Gursharan.
Okay, Gulshan. Describe your hometown a little.
Well, my hometown is in Patna. It is situated in Punjab. Well, there are numerous facilities are available, such as transport system is very good, and education is provided by government, and medical facilities are also available.
Okay. Are you interested in sports?
Yes, well, I am interested in sports because my favorite sports is football.
Okay. Do most people in your country like to play football?
Well, in my nation, mostly individuals like football because they have craze of that game.
Okay, Gulshan. So that is the end of part 1. For part 2, here is a cue card along with paper and a pencil. You have 1 minute to prepare your cue card. After that, you will be given 2 minutes to speak on a given topic, and your 1 minute preparation time starts now. So, Gulshan, please start speaking.
I like number of singers, but here I would like to speak my favorite singer, who is my all-time favorite. His name is Sherry Man, and he is not only a good singer as well as good leader and film director. I often to use his first song Yaran Molle, and his first song got 4 million views in 2 days. And I often to listen his music on childhood age. And I still remember his first song was got 4 million views, and there are many qualities in him which make him admirable and different from others. And if his fans are of different ages and different music choices, and he is very successful and renowned person. And he also won the Kohinoor Punjab Award for the best playback singer, and his voice is very tuneful. That's why he is my favorite, and he is very different from other singers because he has no attitude like others, and he never promoted drugs or weapon song. His all songs related to culture and traditions, and his fan following is very huge, very big.
Okay. So that is the end of part 2 cue card. Please pass back pencil and paper. Thank you. For part 3, I will ask some more questions related to part 2 cue card. Do singers play an important role in your country?
Well, singers play important role in my nation because they promote tradition and culture songs.
Okay. Do you think celebrities have a lot of income?
Well, celebrities have a lot of income because they entertainment the individuals in the marriage and the marriage functions, and they are doing like concerts, and they are singing on love and marriage.
Okay. In your country, people prefer to listen to traditional music or foreign music?
Well, in my nation, in modern time, mostly individuals like to listen modern music, like such as hip hop songs or bass songs.
Okay, Gulshan. So that is the end of your speaking. Thank you. So Gulshan, pronunciation, fluency होगी ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨਾ ਪੈਣਾ। ਇੰਟਰੋ ਪਾਰਟ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਅੱਛਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਬਟ ਟਾਕਿੰਗ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਕਿਊ ਕਾਰਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਿਊਜ਼ ਥੋੜੇ ਜਿਹੇ ਘੱਟ ਸੀਗੇ। ਡਿਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰ ਪਾਏ ਅੱਛੇ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ, ਸੋ ਦੈਟਸ ਗੁੱਡ। ਗ੍ਰਾਮਰ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਅੱਛੀ ਹੈ, ਬਟ ਟਾਕਿੰਗ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਵੋਕੈਬ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਿਫਿਕਲਟ ਵਰਡਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕੀਤੇ, ਬਟ ਦੈਟਸ ਨਾਟ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਾਇੋਰਟੀ ਫॉर ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ। ਅਗਰ ਇੱਕ ਦੋ ਵਰਡਸ ਆਪਾਂ ਵੋਕੈਬ ਦੇ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਵੈਲ ਐਂਡ ਸਫੀਸ਼ੀਐਂਟ, ਬਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ। ਬਟ ਟਾਕਿੰਗ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਯੋਰ ਗੁੱਡ ਥਿੰਗ ਵਾਜ਼ ਦੈਟ ਯੋਰ ਰਿਦਮ ਥੋੜੀ ਅੱਛੀ ਸੀਗੀ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਵੈਲ ਸਟਰਕਚਰਡ ਸੀਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕਿਊ ਕਾਰਡ। ਬਟ ਟਾਕਿੰਗ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਯੋਰ ਪਾਰਟ 3 ਫॉलोअप्स ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਰ ਨਾਟ ਵੈਲ ਡਿਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬਡ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਲੀ, ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਲੀ ਡਿਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਹੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਏ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਯੈਸ ਨੋ ਵਾਲੇ ਕੰਮ ਸੀਗਾ 1 to 2 ਲਾਈਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਿਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀਗੇ। ਸੋ ਫॉलोअप ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਟਲੀਸਟ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ 4 to 5 ਲਾਈਨਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਣਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਜਸਟੀਫਾਈ ਕਰਨਾ ਪੈਣਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬੈਂਡ ਸਕੋਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ 4.5 to 5 ਤੱਕ ਵੇਰੀ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ। ਸੋ 1 ਮੰਥ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਕੁ ਇੰਪਰੂਵਮੈਂਟ ਲਿਆਉਣੇ ਆਪਦੇ ਆਪ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ।
Yes, sir.
ਓਕੇ।